Hi guys, excuse my frizzy hair that I'm learning to love. I am popping in from the future. I just wanted to make this statement before the video starts that it is totally okay if you're not using quarantine to be uber productive and change the whole world and all of these crazy things. I know for a fact that I've been spending a great majority of my time not following this morning routine, so definitely don't feel pressured. These are unrealistic standards to follow every single day, especially with everything that's going on. So go at your own pace, do what makes you happy. What works for me may not work for you, and make sure to prioritize your peace above everything else, and don't focus on what everybody else is doing, focus on what you are doing. But with that being said, I wish you guys so much health and happiness, and I hope that your mental health is doing okay. I know that I personally have been struggling quite a bit with that, so I really want to send you all the good juju that I can, to you, your families, your pets, your friends, your community, all of it. I hope that this video can distract you a little bit, and I hope that my channel can be a creative, positive place for you to go to during this time. So let's get into the video. My productive mornings typically start off somewhere between 7:30 and 8 a.m. so I have the most time. Come on! This little one is the star of the show, and she will do absolutely anything to get her breakfast as soon as she wakes up in the morning, or as soon as I'm up. And all is right in the world. Right away, I open up all the blinds, I say some nice things to myself, light the candles, set some good music as the tone. I really just do any small thing that I can that I know will release some good endorphins in my brain, just because I find that the small victories really do lead to a greater day. Okay, no, I don't wear makeup to sleep, but I always wake up with mascara under my eyes, so this really helps. Here I am with the moisturizer and the skincare, really just soaking up all that stuff. And here I am picking from my many sweatsuits. And 3, 2, 1, here we are. Oh, there we go.
Let's go. Come on.
A lot of times I do prefer to walk in silence, but today I opted for this podcast by Keaton Milburn. I find that it helps when I just have too many thoughts in my brain and I really need to drown them out. This takes the clutter out of the thoughts. Of course, we always want to set the tone by hydrating early, and I cannot focus or be productive in a space that is cluttered or unclean, so I definitely have to get this knocked out as soon as I start my day. I said this in my last vlog, but I think right now it's especially important when we are all spending so much time in our homes due to quarantine. I try to practice writing down the things that I want to go after and the tiny accomplishments that I make, no matter how small. So in today's template, I put in 3 accomplishments from the day before, whether they be big wins, small wins, whatever wins. And then I also did 3 things that I'm grateful for. In addition to that, I did some affirmations that I found on TikTok, of all places, that I really like, just for good measure. As you can see, I've been needing to get a little bit creative with the at-home workouts, and honestly, I will be the first person to say, you guys, working out at home honestly kind of looks miserable. I'm sorry, I had to say it, but it really did make a huge difference in my routine. I had so much more energy throughout the day, which was really surprising, but I definitely will say, ease into it, calm down if you haven't been doing it, because this left me sore for a very long time. Oh, and there I go. There's that extra energy I was talking about. And there she goes. Okay, alright, okay, that's what we're doing. Here's a gentle reminder, we want to give our bodies more because we're asking for more from it. So if you're working out, make sure that you're taking that into account when you hydrate. Now let's wash this sweat off, and 3, 2, 1. Boom! Now, if you have curly hair, then you know exactly how much it takes to maintain, to keep healthy, to keep smooth, to keep from getting frizzy, all of the above. So here I am applying a bunch of products and doing a bunch of things to my hair, and trying to feel good about it. Now, with that being said, it definitely did take me a long time to feel beautiful in my natural hair. So if you are somebody who struggles with that, I'm right there with you, and I'm here to say it's possible. And one of the reasons why I was able to accomplish that is by doing what I'm doing here, which are affirmations, telling myself that I'm beautiful, telling myself I'm growing, telling myself that I'm worthy of love. So practice that. Holy cozy! I'm gonna fall. What's up, guys? So I'm out of the shower now, obviously. Daniel made me a protein shake. It's kind of nasty, but he likes to take care of me, so I just go with it. I'm probably not gonna drink it. I'm probably just gonna make some coffee instead. So I'm looking on Pinterest for a breakfast recipe. I always make like French toast or crepes, or like recently I've really been loving bell pepper scrambled eggs and like omelets with spinach, stuff like that. I really, like you guys have seen, have been having so much fun with like cooking and branching out and like baking in the mornings. But I want something that's like semi-refreshing, like healthy, because I'm kind of just tired of like French toast and like a bunch of powdered sugar on top of it. So give me a minute to figure out what I'm gonna whip up. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is here to show you why exactly cooking in the kitchen is a part of my morning routine. This is probably the best thing for me. Also, I can appreciate that these are literally just sandwiches, but let's be honest, I can put eggs and avocado on literally anything and call it the best meal that I've ever had, so I am not complaining. Okay, so this is what I ended up coming up with. It's not the most creative thing ever, but it sounded really, really good. I did poached egg, avocado, mayonnaise, ham, lettuce, and I think that's all. I'll probably do everything but the bagel seasoning too. But I'm really excited to eat this. Now I just need to make my coffee. I've been having this every single day. This is the whipped coffee and I'm obsessed with it. I have adjusted my plan to using vanilla almond milk. We always get vanilla almond milk, but we always get it unsweetened. So this time I tried it sweetened and it tastes like you have creamer in it. It is amazing. So I'm gonna finish this up and then we're gonna carry on with the day. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. There she goes. Oh, she is just the most beautiful thing that I have ever seen. Now we're getting Ozarks all set up. We're finally on season 3. I'm super excited to finish it. That first sip of coffee and taking a break to be present during breakfast really starts my day off right, and by now it's 10 a.m. and I'm ready to get to work.